Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best PS Whey is probably one of the most sought-after protein powders on the market, and for good reason. It's designed to support muscle growth and recovery, making it a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to maximize their gains. With a focus on quality ingredients and a delicious taste, this protein powder aims to be a staple in your supplement regimen, helping you achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Number 5. Snap Supplements Nitric Oxide. Are you looking to boost your energy levels and enhance your workout performance? This supplement is designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. Experience quicker recovery times after intense training sessions. It supports muscle growth, helping you build the physique you desire. Promote better cardiovascular health with this powerful formula. It aids in maintaining a healthy heart, crucial for overall well-being. Enhance your body's natural circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles and organs. Each bottle provides a full month's supply of vegetarian capsules. Get ready to feel more energized and revitalized. Formulated with L-arginine, this supplement is crafted with quality in mind. It's a vegetarian-friendly option for your health regimen. What we like. This option is designed to boost your energy levels and aid in faster recovery. It also contributes to better heart health. If you are looking for a supplement that supports overall cardiovascular wellness and post-workout recovery, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is effective and delivers on its promises. I experienced great results and noticed a significant improvement in my performance. The design is sleek and the build quality is excellent. Number 4. ProSupps Mr. Hyde Signature Pre-Workout. Are you ready to take your workouts to the next level? This powerful pre-workout is designed to help you achieve peak performance. Get ready to feel the difference. Experience an intense surge of energy and laser-like focus. It's formulated to keep you dialed in from the first rep to the last. Conquer your fitness goals with sustained power. Push past your limits with improved endurance. This supplement helps you go harder for longer, ensuring you get the most out of every training session. Never settle for less. Crafted with key ingredients like creatine and beta-alanine, this formula is built for results. Enjoy a clean boost without the jitters. It's the smart choice for your fitness journey. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, this pre-workout is for you. It's designed to support the fitness goals of both men and women. Elevate your training, no matter who you are. Fuel your body with a refreshing and delicious blue ras taste. Each serving is a treat that prepares you for an epic workout. Enjoy the flavor and the results. What we like. This product focuses on enhancing your performance with clean energy. It's formulated to support muscle growth during your workouts. If you're a fitness enthusiast seeking a reliable pre-workout to power your gym sessions and build muscle, consider this. What people say. You can feel the energy and focus pretty quickly after taking it. The blue ras flavor tastes good, not too sweet, and it's easy to drink. It mixes well and doesn't leave clumps. The effect kicks in fast and helps me perform better during workouts. I didn't experience any crash or stomach issues, which is a big plus. It feels strong but still controlled. Gives great energy levels and the quality is second to none. The flavor was great. I love the jitters it gives me and makes me want to hit the gym. I have had great pumps and focus, especially energy taking Hyde pre-workout. It mixes well and doesn't leave clumps. The effect kicks in fast and helps me perform better during workouts. Number 3. ProSupps Mr. Hyde NitroX Pre-Workout. Are you ready to push your limits? Experience a new level of energy and focus with this advanced pre-workout formula. Get ready for a powerful surge of energy that lasts. This blend is designed to keep you going strong throughout your entire workout. Achieve incredible muscle pumps and laser-sharp focus. It helps you maximize every rep and set. Formulated with potent ingredients like yohimbe, beta-alanine, creatine, and nitrosurgene. These components work together to enhance your performance. Each container provides 30 true servings, ensuring you have enough fuel for a full month of intense training sessions. Take your workouts to the next level. This pre-workout is your secret weapon for achieving peak physical condition. What we like. Experience intense, sustained energy and powerful muscle pumps with this formula. It's engineered for maximum focus and endurance. If you need an extreme boost for your toughest workouts and crave that intense mind-muscle connection, this is the one. What people say. Starts working within 15 to 20 minutes after I drink. No issues with shakiness or upset stomach like other brands. Tingling skin. Check. Ants crawling. Check. Sudden urge to rip my shirt off like Hulk Hogan and start tossing mofos over the top rope. Hell yeah, brother. The pump was fairly long lasting, I'd say about 40 minutes or so, which was most of my workout. Yes, absolutely. However, I never experienced any jumpiness or jitters. All I felt was a smooth, well-timed energy release. I did feel just a slight tingle on my arms, but not enough to actually notice. The first day I took only a half of a scoop mixed into a 10-ounce glass of water. I honestly didn't feel anything. The next day I tried mixing an entire scoop with 8 ounces of water. I felt a little something, but not enough to my liking. But on the third day I decided to mix a half of a scoop with only 3 to 4 ounces of water, and that was the dose that I had been needing. I was literally working out for over 3 hours or more. Number 2. Jacked Factory NitroSurge Pre-Workout. Are you ready to elevate your workout? Experience a surge of energy and unlock instant strength gains like never before. Achieve laser-like focus to power through every rep, stay in the zone and maximize your training session. Feel the incredible muscle pumps that come with this advanced formula. Get ready for a truly intense workout experience. This powerful supplement is designed to enhance your performance. It's formulated with key ingredients to help you push your limits. Enjoy the refreshing cherry limeade taste with every serving. It's the perfect way to fuel your fitness journey. Each container provides 30 servings, ensuring you have enough to support your training goals. Get ready for sustained energy and results. What we like. Get ready for endless energy, instant strength gains, and crystal clear focus. This supplement is built to maximize your workout output. If you want to feel stronger immediately and maintain sharp mental clarity throughout your training, this is your go-to. What people say. The product is effective and delivers on its promises. It has a great design and is easy to use. The features are well thought out and enhance the user experience. Number 1. Xtend Original BCAA Powder. Fuel your workouts with the ultimate performance blend. This advanced formula is designed to support your fitness journey. Experience accelerated muscle recovery and promote lean muscle growth. It contains essential amino acids to help you bounce back faster. Stay hydrated and replenish vital electrolytes lost during intense training. This drink ensures you're performing at your peak. Enjoy the benefits without the sugar. This is the perfect choice for a clean and effective workout supplement. Savor the refreshing blue raspberry ice flavor. It's a delicious way to enhance your intra- and post-workout routine. Each container provides 30 servings, ensuring you have sustained support for your training regimen. What we like. This option provides essential BCAAs and L-glutamine for superior muscle recovery and hydration. It also supports lean muscle development. If your primary goal is to speed up recovery, stay hydrated, and maintain lean muscle mass, especially during or after intense training, this is ideal. What people say. The product is great and it works. I love this product, it is amazing. This product is the best. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.